Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Yesterday, derivatives, formulas, and some more application explanation completed. Today, we are going to the exercise. Find the derivative of x square minus 2. Find the derivative of x square minus 2 at x is equal to 10. Solution. Given y is equal to x square minus 2, y is equal to x square minus 2. So derivative with respect to x, derivative with respect to x means derivative of y is equal to dy by dx. Derivative of y is equal to dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square minus 2. Derivative of x square minus 2. This is the formula of d by dx of u minus v is equal to d by dx of u minus v is equal to, what is the formula? D by dx of u minus d by dx of v. This is the formula. So that is equal to d by dx of x square minus d by dx of 2. Derivative of x square. Derivative of x square formula d by dx of x power n. D by dx of x power n formula n into x power n minus 1. So d by dx of x square 2 into x power 2 minus 1 is equal to 2x. So 2x. Derivative of 2. Derivative of 2 means derivative of constant 0. Derivative of constant 0. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 2x at x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 means x value 10. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So dy by dx value 20. Okay, clear? Next, second problem. Find the derivative of (99) into x at x is equal to 100. 99x at x is equal to 100. So solution. Given dy by y is equal to 99 into x. So derivative with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx. Simply derivative with respect to x means it is simply dw is equal to d by dx of 99 into x. This is the formula of derivative of d by dx of k into u is equal to k constant to u is a function. Here k is equal to 99, u is equal to x. So d by dx of k into u is equal to k into d by dx of u. So that is equal to 99 into d by dx of x. So 99 into d by dx of x is equal to 1. 99 into 1 is equal to 99. So at x is equal to 100, at x is equal to 100 means here there is no x. Here this is x square minus 2 derivative 2x, so x is equal to substitute and calculate answer. So here there is no answer, dy by dx answer here 2x, x is equal to 10, substitute x is equal to 10. Here dy by dx is equal to 99, there is no x, so does not substitute x is equal to 100. No, it need not be used, not necessary. Okay. Next, third problem, derivative of x at x is equal to 1. Third problem, derivative of x at x is equal to 1. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y, dy by dx, derivative of x is equal to 1. No. Okay, clear? Very simple. Each and every one, I will explain each and every one. Next, fourth problem. Find the derivative of the following functions from the first principle. So, fifth problem. Seventh problem, first of all. Seventh problem. What is seventh problem? For some constant a and b, find the derivative of. For some constants small a and b, for some constant small a and b, find the derivatives of. Find the derivatives of. Find the derivatives of. This is the first one, x minus a into x minus b, x minus a into x minus b. So u into v formula ORR simply given y is equal to x minus a into x minus b multiply x into x, x square, x into b minus xb minus ax minus a into minus b plus ab. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx. Y derivative dy by dx. So d by dx of x square minus xb minus xa plus ab. This is the formula of d by dx of u plus v minus w and so on, means d by dx of u plus d by dx of v minus d by dx of w. Plus minus, not only two functions, u plus u minus v, any so on, infinite functions. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of, separated the functions, minus d by dx of x into b minus d by dx of x into a plus d by dx of a into b. So that is equal to d by dx of x square, d by dx of x square. This is d by dx of ku, constant here, a, b are constants. D by dx of ku. So k into u dash, b into constant separated from the derivative x minus a into d by dx of x plus d by dx of both are a, b, both are constant. Constant into constant is equal to constant. So derivative of x square is equal to 2x. b into derivative of x 1 no, minus a into derivative of x also 1 no. plus derivative of a constant to b constant to derivative of constant a is a constant, b is a constant, a into b also constant, constant into constant is equal to constant 0. So therefore 2x minus a minus b. Second bit, ax square y is equal to ax square plus b whole square. This is a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square. First this is a or x plus y, x plus y. What is the x plus y whole square? X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So ax square whole square, x square plus y square, a square plus b square plus 2 into ax square into b, 2ab. So that is equal to a square, x square whole square, x power 4 plus b square plus 2ab into x square. 2 constant to a constant, b constant, 2ab into x square. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is y? So y is equal to a square x power 4 plus b square plus 2ab into x square. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx plus equal to d by dx of the total a square x power 4 plus b square plus 2ab x square. So that is equal to d by dx of x square a square x power 4 plus d by dx of b square plus d by dx of 2ab into x square. So constants separate from the derivatives. A square into d by dx of x power 4 plus d by dx of b square plus 2ab constant into d by dx of x square. A square x power 4 plus b square plus 2ab x square. So a square into derivative of x power 4, derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1, derivative of x power 4 is equal to 4x cube, derivative of constant 0 plus 2ab into derivative of x square is equal to 2x. So dy by dx is equal to 4a square x cube plus 2 into 2 4abx. Okay, third one. Y is equal to x minus a by x minus b, u by v formula. So d by dx of u by v, d by dx of u by formula, u into v formula, u by v formula. D by dx of u by v is equal to first denominator v square, next v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. This is the formula. So here what is u? Here u is equal to x minus a, v is equal to x minus b. Okay. So d by dx of u, derivative of u is equal to d by dx of x minus a. Okay, derivative of u. So d by dx of x minus a is equal to derivative of x 1 no, derivative of a 0, so 1 no. So d by dx of v, so d by dx of v is equal to x minus b. X minus b, how to derivative? D by dx of x minus d by dx of a u minus v. Derivative of u minus v is equal to derivative of u minus derivative of v. Derivative of x1 no, derivative of a is a constant, so 1 no. So u by v formula, derivative, this is only simplifications. So now y is equal to derivative with respect to x, derivative with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx is equal to v square. What is v here? This is u is equal to x minus a, v is equal to x minus b. V square x minus b whole square, v into x minus b into d by dx of u, formula v square v into x minus b into du by dx means derivative of x minus a minus u into derivative of v, v is equal to x minus b. This is the problem. Okay. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to, so v square means x minus b whole square, v into x minus b into derivative of u, derivative of x minus a is equal to 1 minus x minus a into u into derivative of x minus b is also 1. So that is equal to x minus b into 1 x minus b minus x minus a into 1 x minus a by x minus b whole square. So x minus b minus into x minus x minus into minus plus a minus x plus x cancel by x minus b whole square. So minus b plus a means a minus b by x minus b whole square. This is the u by v formula, u into v, u by v formulas. So today how many problems are completed? 1, 2, 3 and 7. So tomorrow 9th, 11th, first simple problems, first simple problems, after that some heavy problems. So line by increasing one by one. Okay, clear? Okay.